Hey there, it's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Wanted to talk to you here about another block I have. I would love to get this block back to the original vehicle if it's out there. Of course, I would love that to happen only if within some sort of trade for another block that's similar. It is an HP 383 block. Please subscribe to my channel and let's take a look at this 383 block. Here is the 383 HP block. It is a 1969 block. If you look here closely, you can see right there it says E383. That would be for a 1969 383. And if you look right there in the corner, it says HP. So yes, this is an HP 383 block. Block looks to be in good condition here. Kind of just look at everything here slowly. Here's the back of the block. Let's look at the side as well, the side wall. As you can see, here's the side of the block. It looks to be in good shape. Let's look here at the VIN number on the bottom of this block. There is the VIN number right there for this block. So if you happen to have this block VIN number matching for your vehicle, please let me know. Love to reunite this block with your vehicle. But what I would like in return is another HP 383 block to exchange that's in good condition. That's what I would like. That would really be very helpful. So that, you know, I'm not looking to make extra money on it, just trying to reunite the block and be fair and give back to the hobby of restoring vehicles. Here are the cylinders of this block. If you look in those cylinders there, on the other side, you can also look at the side here as well. Looks good. There, you can see everything looks solid. Don't see any issues. Again, a 1969 383 block. Here's the other pad on the other side. You can see also in the valley here, lifter valley. Well, there you go. There you have it. There's the 383 1969 block. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't crush them, restore them. And I'll see you next time.